Welcome to the demonstration of the UG5000W, Uni-Ram Corporation's premier solution for spray gun cleaning. Compact, efficient, and easy to use, the UG5000W is your all-in-one cleaning station. The left, solvent side, has automatic wash, air flush, solvent rinse, fume venting with an on-off control, manual wash with flow-through brush, manual rinse with a spigot, and a stainless steel tank and lid. Two spray guns are together cleaned automatically with solvent via 1-minute timer. There are also two air purge hoses, which are used to place the white plug on the air fitting. The right, water side, is used to manually clean and rinse one spray gun at a time in a stainless steel tank. The used water can be reclaimed. The unit comes with two closed-top high-density plastic pails for washing and rinsing, installed on the left side, and an open-top plastic pail with filters on the right side. Let's take a look at the essential components included in your spray gun maintenance kit designed to streamline your gun cleaning and upkeep process. First, we have the comprehensive manual, your guide to navigating maintenance procedures and ensuring smooth operation. Next, we have the enclosed operation and maintenance placards to display near the machine for easy access. You will find our PN Kit Air Filter Convenience Installation Kit, including rubber air hose, fittings, couplers, moisture filter, and thread tape. Approaching the machine, we first consider the right-hand wash tank for waterborne gun cleaning. Next, the supplied spray containment chamber is a crucial tool for containing overspray and ensuring a clean work environment. It also ensures that the machine is compliant with EPA 6H guidelines on gun washing. Within the box, inside the wash pail, includes Coag Clean FP, a flocculant powder, and AquaClean, cleaning concentrate essential for efficient and effective cleaning. For precision cleaning, we provide an air blow gun, perfect for removing water to prevent corrosion. The wash gun is another indispensable tool, ideal for thorough washing. Lastly, we offer a whip line and universal coupler, providing air turbulence during gun flushing to improve removal of paint particles. With these quality components at your disposal, you are well equipped to easily maintain your equipment and ensure its peak performance. Let's walk through the installation process step by step, ensuring a smooth setup before diving into operation. First, let's prepare for cleaning. Close the drain flocculation valve and attach the whip line quick connect to the spray gun. Time for the water gun. With the selector valve set to Wash Gun, activate the foot pedal and cleanse the paint channel. A 20-second flow and our containment chamber ensure no mess. And for the perfect pressure, adjust the flow here. Now, onto the flow-through brush. A horizontal valve position, another step on the pedal, and we're scrubbing with controlled water flow. After washing, it's drying time. Use the blowgun like this to dry both the inside and outside. We recommend taking apart the spray gun at the end of the day for inspection. After each cleaning, the wastewater will collect in the lower tank. After all cleanser is collected in this tank, it is time for water reclaim. Take your flame-retarding screen up or take it out, and with no water in the pail, we add 2 scoops of Coag Clean and set the timer for 5 minutes to begin the flocculation process. After the magic happens, drain, filter, clean, and dispose of debris responsibly. It may take some time for all the water to pass through both filters. While it does, it is important to thoroughly rinse the tank of any debris down into the filters and dispose the debris. Remember to check the manual if the water isn't clear or for any troubleshooting. The UG5000W is not just effective, it's environmentally conscious. Paint companies recommend changing out the AquaClean cleanser after 5 flocculation cycles or 150 gun cleanings. This water and the reclaimed powder should be disposed of with a licensed waste hauler. Next, we consider the automatic washing side. Here, our own 4-inch dual diaphragm drives cleaning solvent through 15 spray nozzles to wash the gun in 1 minute. As we open the lid, we see an array of spray jets and other components. Let's find one brass cone and one installed gravity adapter rising from above the bottom flame retardant screen. This cone is where the disposable cup adapter accessory is installed. You will also notice 2 air purge white cones attached to hoses. These deliver a few pounds of air to add turbulence to the cleaning process. On the back wall of the wash tank, you will see our flow-through brush. Pour out as much excess paint as possible into the shop's paint waste drum. Slightly loosen the air cap on the gun. Select the correct gravity adapter for your brand of disposable cup. Install a trigger clamp on the gun and secure the air inlet with the attached threaded brass cap, or insert the supplied white air purge cone. Invert the gun over the top of the adapter, close the lid, and turn the timer all the way to the right. Following this procedure, press the air rinse button to purge the wash solvent from the gun. Then follow with the clean rinse button to deliver 100 cc of clean solvent as a final rinse. If washer is not equipped with fume extractor, please wait for 30 seconds for vapors to settle before opening the lid and removing the gun. Wipe down and inspect the gun prior to the next paint job. For painters wishing to do detailed, manual cleaning, we have a flow-adjustable manual cleaning brush. For spray guns that have heavy paint buildup, we recommend running the machine for several cycles, which will loosen up this paint, which can then fall off with light application of the manual brush. When the guns no longer feel clean to the touch, it is recommended to replace the wash solvent with new solvent, remove the filter, clean it, and reinstall it. And there you have it. A clean spray gun is a happy spray gun. With the UG5000W, efficiency meets environmental responsibility. Keeping your UG5000W in peak condition is crucial. Let's dive into the monthly maintenance routine. Consistent maintenance ensures longevity and reliability. We'll start by checking and topping up solvents. Inspect the solvent levels. If the wash pail is low, fill it to 75%. And for the clean rinse pail, top it up to the brim. First, remove the suction tube from the clean solvent pail and move the clean pail out of the cabinet. Next, close the drain valve. Remove the drain hose and suction tube with the filter from the wash pail. Then, remove the solvent wash pail from the cabinet and pour the used wash solvent into the waste drum. Now, reinstall the drain hose and suction tube in the wash pail. Return the wash pail to the cabinet and move the drain hose from the wash pail to the clean rinse pail. Pour solvent into the clean tank until the clean pail is full, reaching the 100% mark. Return the drain hose to the wash pail and install the rinse pump in the clean rinse pail. Finally, ensure the drain valve is in the open, vertical position. Next, the stainless steel filter needs your attention. Stay tuned as we walk you through the upcoming steps to clean this filter and prevent any potential clogs. The filter prevents debris from entering the pump and cleaning tank. Remove the wash pail from the cabinet. Then remove the suction tube. Unscrew the metal filter from the tube and clean the metal filter in a mixing cup of clean solvent. Tighten the filter by hand only. Don't forget to test the wash timer, rinse pump, and brushes, including the trigger clip's presence. To keep the water gun and brush clear, it's all about the flow. First, move the selector valve to the brush position. Then lift the water inlet tube out of the water pail. With a blowgun that is not connected to the gun cleanser, blow air through the water inlet tube, and at the same time, step on the foot pedal to clear the water line to brush off any debris. Finally, move the selector valve to the water gun position and repeat the previous step. Stock up on AquaClean, Coag Clean, and both primary and secondary filters. Having these on hand is essential for effective maintenance. Clean both tanks and all jets. Sometimes a simple wire tool does the trick. A thorough clean here prevents problems down the line. Finally, the flocculation process. For the metal filter, it's as simple as unscrew, clean, and screw back on. Hand tighten only. And for the water lines, a little air to ensure your water gun and brush are debris-free. With these steps, your UG5000W is ready for another month of peak performance. Are you encountering issues with your UG5000W Spray Gun Washer? Let's delve into troubleshooting to get you back up and running smoothly. If the wash pump emits a hissing sound, yet liquid fails to flow, here are 4 potential reasons and their corresponding solutions. Reason 1. Water or contaminants are present in the airline of the pump. Solution: inspect the passage in the diaphragm pump in the next section for any water or contaminants that may be causing blockages. Reason 2. The flow control is closed. Solution: locate the manual flow control on the control panel at the front of the machine. Loosen the locking nut and rotate the control to the left to increase the flow. Reason 3. The liquid level is too low. Solution: verify the wash liquid level and add liquid if it's less than half full, filling it up to 4 gallons or 11 liters. Reason 4. The brush is clogged with debris. Solution: remove the brush from the hose and activate the foot pedal. If solvent flow is now unimpeded, replace the brush with part number 144-390S. If the pump is not working at all, water may have entered in through the airline. Remove the airline at the pump and squirt in some spray gun oil and chase with compressed air to loosen the pump. If the pump is actuating but no liquid is coming out and the pail is full, the pump may have a blockage. To clear it, remove the suction pipe and spin-on filter. With the pipe upended, squirt in some fresh solvent and chase with a blowgun. Operate the timer at the same time, and these actions may free up the blockage. Test pump by filling a mixing cup with some solvent and observe if the pump can remove it. By addressing these troubleshooting steps, you can effectively resolve issues with your UG5000W Spray Gun Washer and ensure optimal performance for your cleaning operations.